Step by step how to move 401k to Gold IRA rollover without penalty in 2024. In times of financial uncertainty, protecting retirement savings is essential. A Gold IRA offers a way to diversify your portfolio with physical gold, which can serve as a safeguard against market volatility and inflation. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified guide to rolling over a 401k to a Gold IRA without incurring penalties. Steps to execute a penalty-free rollover. 1. Check your 401k plan. Verify if your current 401k plan allows rollovers. Contact your plan administrator or a financial advisor for guidance. 2. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. Select an IRS-approved custodian specializing in precious metal IRAs. Compare fees, customer reviews, and storage options. 3. Open a self-directed IRA. With a chosen custodian, open a self-directed IRA that permits investment in physical gold. 4. Initiate a direct rollover. Request a direct rollover from your 401k to the new Gold IRA to avoid taxes and penalties. Ensure no funds are distributed to you directly. 5. Select precious metals. Choose eligible metals, such as gold coins or bars, that meet IRS fineness standards. Work with your custodian to make the selection. 6. Secure storage. Ensure your metals are stored in an IRS-approved depository to maintain the tax advantages of your Gold IRA. Key considerations. 1. Direct rollovers. Always opt for a direct rollover to avoid penalties. 2. Follow IRS rules. Ensure compliance with IRS guidelines on eligible metals and depositories. 3. Be aware of the 60-day rule. If using an indirect rollover, deposit the funds within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. By following these steps and consulting a financial advisor, you can safeguard your retirement savings with a Gold IRA in 2024. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.